Hello student. Today we are going to see the next topic, that is animal social behavior. Basically, animal social behavior is the suite of interaction that occur between two or more individual animals, usually of the same species. If we are giving the example of elephant, we are giving the example of tiger, or we are giving the example of bears. Okay, so the same species, we have to interaction among their species specificity animals. When they form simple aggregations, cooperate in sexual or parental behavior, engage in disputes over territory and access to mates, or simply communicate across the space, that is known as the social animal behavior. When the social animal behavior, when again we are going to see the definition or meaning, the social living is most common in insect, birds and mammals. For example, ants, bees, crows, penguins, voles and humans are just a few example of animals that are social. The social behavior is behavior that is directed towards or takes place between members of the same species. Okay, so this social behavior, there are mainly two types of the social behavior in the animals. First one is the communication, second one is the aggregation, and another third one is the competitions. So the social and behavior is the main two branch of the social animal behavior. The social, it is being social means that you have to relationship with society and its organization, where the animal, which organization they are work together, socially behavior. And second one is the behavior, the way in which an animal behaves in response to a particular situation or stimulus that comes from the environment. So we are going to see the animal behavior is look like towards the humans or mammal groups. They are indicating totally for their social behaviors, and it mainly comprises of the social system. A social system is the pattern series of interrelationships existing between individuals group and forming a whole. And the mammals have several orders, and every order has its specific social system showing the diversity of social behavior. There are many type of the social behavior, and diversity of social behavior is the example of the metatherians. So you can see this metatherians is a one of the species of the mammalian clade, and that includes the all mammals more closely related to marsupials than to placentals, first proposed by the scientist whose name is Thomas Henry Huxley. Because this species of metatherians is look like a kangaroo, and it is a good behavior of the animals. The few families in metatherians develop the social behavior, that is Petauroidea, the Petaurudus breviceps, the honey glider develop best in this family. The cohesive groups are dominant, protected and run by males. The Macropedidae develop to varying degrees, highly develop in Macropus parrii. The whiptail wallaby, in whiptail the population is called mobs, occupy a home range but not properly defended. The social system is poor, but they are dominated by male. Hierarchy, which is developed by the ritualized fighting. In estrus, female is protected by a dominant male with exclusive mating rights. So there are the specific the mating behavior among the animals when the estrous cycle they are work properly. Then another one example is the social behavior of Ombatidae. This Ombatidae, it is known as the unusual behavior, and this Ombatidae male develop burrows, and this is a one of the male developed burrows are philopatric, returning to a same place, share their burrows with their kin, female disperse and less likely to associate with other females. म्हणजे तुम्ही याच्यामध्ये ओम्बॅटिडी जर बघितलं तर ते मार्सुपियल्समध्ये येते, ते जनरली ऑस्ट्रेलियामध्ये जास्त प्रमाणात मिळते आणि ते जमिनीमध्ये राहते, जमिनीमध्ये ते जात असतात, बरो होणारा तो ॲनिमल आहे. इट इज लाईक अदर मेंबर्स ऑफ द डिप्टरोडोंटिया. दे आर syndactylous and diptodont. Wombats are medium to large size animals with a stocky body, short limbs, small ears and very short tails, look like structure. Few animals, the metatherians, develop the social behavior. Petaridia, Macropitidia, and these Macropitidia develop to varying the degrees. Highly developed Macropus parai, the whiptail wallaby. In whiptail, the population is called mops, occupy a home range but not properly defended. The social system is poor, but they are dominated by male hierarchy, which is developed by ritualized fighting, and the estrus female is protested dominant male with exclusive. You can see this Ompatidae animals. This is the Chiroptera. You can see the bat. This sexual behavior of the female are so large in number that they are not defensible comparatively in male. Due to same reason, male bats have to be polygynous. Few species are solitary except for mating. In some families, both sexes separate from each other when the pup are born. Females form nursery of kids. After pups mature, sexes reunite. The sexes is not a unite form, it is a reunite. In buffet flowers bat, multi-females system exists. The system is mainly leg-based roosting behavior. Round-eared bats create their own roots and are called camping bats. You can see this a bit advanced than the previous ones. Social behavior is influenced by daily and seasonal activity they are doing in our social behavior. Some animal they are calling the female with their voice. For example, you can say the peacock. Similarly, some animal they are having a different social activity, social behavior, and this Ombatidae is a daily and seasonal activity, distribution of food, environmental constraints, predation. So this activity has been done from their specific species. The category composed of one adult male, several females and young ones without dominant hierarchy, and hostility with neighbors always exists. Two syllable call used, develop and each other recognized by all members. Then They have developed a kissing behavior. Advantages of cattery is watching out for danger, many voices, or for alarm, low vegetation due to continuous foraging, long-term occupancy of area. So this is the primates. The primates having a typical characters of the humans, and they are characteristics of the social activities.